Welcome to the new hub of ARQ Science's business. We are excited to formally introduce you to ARQ, an app with more power to connect you to your management dashboard, provide marketing resources, and keep you in the know with company news and updates. Before you explore the resources and management tools available to you, let's get you logged into your new app. Once you've successfully downloaded ARQ from the App Store, you will be given 3 different options of logging in: Gmail, Facebook, or creating a username and password. For the sake of this demo, I will be logging in using my email. You may also tap the Google or Facebook logo to get started. First, you'll need to click Sign Up to create your account. After signing up, it will then have you enter your back office username. You'll see this screen with options to verify your account. Keep in mind you will only need to verify the first time you log into the app. Or, at any point if you change your email, you will need to verify if you choose to use the new email across any of the Q platforms. I'm going to verify using SMS. It will then text me a 6-digit code that will log me directly into the app. Again, you only have to do this once. Upon login, it will ask you if you want to enable Face ID. I highly recommend doing this for convenience. And finally, you're in. Enjoy your new Q Science's mobile companion, the ARQ app.